Local news for Tuesday the 24th of October. Gail Huff-Brown, wife to US Ambassador to New Zealand Scott Brown, stunned a mastered an audience last week after delivering the line #MeToo. Following a selection of classic and modern sonnets, the #MeToo phenomenon started in the wake of the Harvey Weinstein revelations and has become a rallying cry against sexual harassment, and it found itself the centre of attention in Masterton last week at the preview of A Wicked Evening of Illicit Love, the stage adaptation of John Warheim's Pulitzer Prize-named anthology Sonnets for Sinners. Gull on Chapel Street made a mistake last week that had customers benefit from extremely low fuel prices, albeit for 25 minutes. They accidentally dropped their regular 91 petrol price to 17 cents a litre for a period of around 25 minutes last Thursday morning. Friday afternoon, travellers to Wellington had their train trip interrupted after the train hit the trailer of a logging truck just south of Masterton. And in sport, Gladstone have done the double, winning the Club Rugby and now the Club Rugby Sevens on Saturday. And well done to Wairarapa United's Misha Boone, scoring a hat-trick over the weekend for Central United in the National Women's League.